Comdata Fuel Card is the card that Diamond S Trucking issues to all of their company employees, owner-operators, and fleet drivers. Lease operators will be issued a fuel card, but not until after they've completed their first load. The fuel card is authorized to be used at 3 different locations: Love's, Flying J, and TA Petro. Any other locations other than these 3 right here will need to be authorized by us first before you're able to fuel up at those locations. The per daily limit is 250 gallons of fuel or $900. Any additional fuel will have to be authorized by us as well. You can receive cash advances with the card, and if you request a cash advance within 2 hours of fueling, the truck stop will waive the fee for that cash advance. Fuel is the only authorized purchase on the card, so you cannot purchase things such as oil or antifreeze. Any sort of purchase like that will need to be authorized by us first as well. And then fuel stops also must be logged, and that's in compliance with FMCSA rules and regulations. And for company drivers exclusively, if you're going to fuel up out of network for whatever reason, it's got to be authorized by us first. And then if it's an emergency, you're only going to be getting enough fuel at that unauthorized location to get you to one of the authorized locations. You're not going to fill up completely at the unauthorized location. So whenever you pull up to the truck stop, you're going to use your employee number and your current odometer reading to authorize that card. And then we're going to go over a quick demonstration of the Comdata FleetAdvance application. And this application will assist you in finding fuel locations that are closest to you at the lowest cost. On your iPhone or Android device, open the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you have this open, search for FleetAdvance. Go ahead and download this app to your phone. When you open the app, you'll be prompted to add a card. Go ahead and select this option. Fill in your card number, and when you're done, hit Add Card. Once you've added a card number, go ahead and enter a card name. When done, go ahead and click Save at the top right corner. Your card has now been added to the FleetAdvance app. You can now begin searching for truck stops closest to your location at the lowest cost. To do this, go ahead and select the list view. The gas station in green will be the lowest cost gas station that is approved by the Comdata card. Select this location and then click Take Me There. Hit Open Directions and it'll open your default navigation app.